Testing out my solar cell charger here. Seems to be working. Charging my phone here. So it's actually looks pretty durable. Looks mostly waterproof. Probably would need to protect the USB plug end from water, but other than that, it looks like a solid piece of plastic with the solar cells encased in the plastic completely. And the USB plug back here, this all looks watertight. The only place that water would get in is right where it actually plugs in. The usefulness of those suction cups is you can actually put it on glass windows or smooth surfaces and have the solar cell part face towards the sun. That's really useful. I have a sunroof in my car and works perfect for that. Otherwise you'd put it on a side window. Might be a little less ideal angle for the sun most days, but unless it's a setting or rising sun, but you can put it on the side window here. Do that. And again, we'll see if it shows my phone charging here. Might be, please wait. Okay, I'm waiting. Yep, so it's still taking a charge even though it's facing quite a ways away from the sun. It's actually many degrees out of sync with the actual sun here, so I'm impressed. It actually take a charge after a while. With mostly overcast skies, my solar panel is still pumping a charge into my cell phone, so I'm impressed. It's probably not a very high charge rate, but it's putting charge into the cell phone, so that's actually pretty impressive considering the sun's completely blocked by clouds here. So I have my solar panel connected to my Google Nexus 7 tablet, and it's a real hazy overcast day. It's looking at the sun directly here through the overcast, but my tablet is charging, so it is actually putting a charge in the tablet on this overcast with this much of an overcast, so I'm impressed. I don't know what the rate of the charge is. Probably not that good, but it is charging. The suction cups, they were a real pain to put in those grommet holes, so that's one kind of issue with it. I really struggle to get the little stems into the grommet holes, but other than that, this looks like a pretty useful solar cell charger for phones and probably tablets.